Hello again, fellow YouTubers and railway enthusiasts. Today I would like to show you my latest acquisition, which was an impulse buy as it was so cheap. It's the Heljan O-gauge Class 26 locomotive, factory weathered and numbered, and it was purchased from Rails of Sheffield with 41% off the RIP, so I got this for £395. Again, as you'd expect from Heljan, O-gauge, superb detailing. The weathering looks excellent. But who wouldn't want to buy one for that sort of money, brand new? I mean, £400 for a brand new factory weathered numbered O-gauge loco in this day and age. You can pay that for a double O-gauge. So yeah, it was an impulse buy. Wasn't on my wanted list, but I just couldn't resist at the asking price. Superb model, weighs a ton, looks good. It does come with a detail pack, snow ploughs, headcode discs, which I will install some of at some point, but for now I'll just keep it screwed to its plinth and admire it. So there you go, Heljan O-gauge Class 26.